Welcome back to the MLT World channel. Today friends, I am going to share you quick video related to the topic Trichomonas vaginalis. We will study what is Trichomonas vaginalis, what it causes, what are the symptoms, how it is seen under microscope and how we can check in lab also. Trichomonas vaginalis is a single cell protozoan parasite. That disease caused by Trichomonas vaginalis is called as Trichomoniasis, and this is Trichomoniasis is common, curable, but sexually transmitted disease. Through sexual transmission, it will transfer to other person, but it is curable. No need to take more tension. So, but the main thing is 70% of infected people, they will not show symptoms. This is the main problem. Symptoms will show very delay, up to 5 to 28 days it will take to appear the symptoms. As I told, the symptoms will appear 5 to 28 days after exposure, but the symptoms will be different in males and females area. In men, there will be penile discharge, there will be burning after urination, or there will be testicular or scrotal pain. So these are the symptoms in the male. As you can see, this parasite is movable, that's why it can easily transfer to other partner. Now we will see what are the symptoms in the females. In females also, most of the symptoms will be related to the urinary system. Often it will cause vaginitis with thin, frothy, yellow-green vaginal discharge with fishy odor. It can also cause itching, redness. Then it also causes itching, redness, painful intercourse during and burning urination also. In severe cases, it can cause strawberry cervix, that is called as red inflammatory spots will appear. But what are the complications if this will not treat? Then what will happen? The major complication is that there is an increased risk of acquiring and transmitting HIV. That is one of the major complication. Next complication is linked to the pelvic inflammatory disease. And the third major complication is that it can also cause of infertility both in men and women, means male and female also, or otherwise there is the cause of early childbirth or low birth weight, preterm delivery. Sorry, this point is different. First complication is if there is pregnancy, there is chance of low birth weight or preterm delivery, and also can lead to infertility in both males and females. So these are the complications. In laboratory tests, the most common test, as I told, the patient will not show symptoms. So sometimes just in urine analysis it will appear that the patient have Trichomonas vaginalis in their urine. So the other test that can confirm Trichomonas vaginalis, that is nucleic acid amplification test, NAATS. Second is wet mount microscopy, as you can see how it will show in the microscope. Next is culture test, and last one is rapid antigen test. So these are the major laboratory tests that can check Trichomonas vaginalis. As in the start, I told you that Trichomonas vaginalis is treatable, curable. So treatment is possible by taking medicines. Doctors will recommend antibiotics. Usually they will recommend oral antibiotics, metronidazole or tinidazole. But always check first with doctor, and with prescription only you can take medicine. The most important thing in trichomoniasis is the prevention. There are two types of prevention. One is partner therapy. To prevent reinfection, it is better that partner also take full treatment, because as I told that this disease will not show the symptoms and sometimes it will appear very late also. So it's better if one person got the disease identified, then the next partner should also take therapy. And the most important is prevention, that use barrier methods such as condoms consistently. The most is effective way to prevent the transmission of trichomoniasis. So this is video is going to complete here, I hope so. Yeah, so this video is completed here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I explain an easy way that what is Trichomonas vaginalis and what it causes and what are the complications can occur if not take treatment. I'm waiting for your feedback. Just give your feedback in comments if you like, don't like, or if you want any other topic. Thank you so much.